In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear autocomplete cache in Outlook. If you've ever started typing an email address and kept seeing old or incorrect suggestions pop up, that's your autocomplete cache at work. Clearing it is a quick way to remove outdated entries and reduce clutter when composing messages. In this walkthrough, we'll do it using Outlook on the web. Menu labels can vary slightly over time, but the path you'll follow is consistent. First, open your Outlook dashboard so you're looking at your mailbox, the main screen where you see your folders, your inbox, and the new mail button. Make sure you're signed in and on the web version of Outlook, since the steps shown here are for the online experience. Next, click the settings gear at the top right of the page. This opens the quick settings panel. If you only see a short list, look for the option to open the full settings panel. Inside the settings window, choose General. General is where Outlook groups overall preferences that aren't tied to a single folder or feature. Within General, select Privacy and Data. This area controls how Outlook handles your personal data and various history items tied to your account, including the suggestions you see when you address an email. Now, click Delete History. When you select this, Outlook clears stored history used for features like autocomplete suggestions. This action removes cached entries that appear as you type in the to, CC, and BCC fields, helping eliminate stale or mistyped addresses from popping up in the future. It does not delete your emails or your saved contacts. Those remain intact. If you're prompted to confirm, go ahead and confirm to complete the cleanup. Once that's done, you can close the settings panel and return to your mailbox. The change is usually immediate, but it can take a short moment to propagate across your session. A good way to verify is to start a new message and begin typing an address you know was previously showing the wrong suggestion. You should notice fewer or refreshed entries. If you don't see a difference right away, give it a minute, refresh your browser tab, or sign out and back in to reload your account data. That's all there is to it. By clearing your history under Privacy and Data, you've effectively reset the autocomplete cache in Outlook and set yourself up for cleaner, more accurate suggestions the next time you compose an email. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you tidy up your Outlook experience.